Hi everyone. Today the video is 5th grade time and temperature. Converting into hours. My daughter will explain the problems and solutions.
See, hi guys. Like I said in the previous video that I will in the ending of the video that I'll explain converting into hours and get good marks for that too. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we are getting started for the first question. 7:25 minutes. As you can see, the hours is bigger than the minutes. So I'll show you in the diagram. If we doing greater values, we have to do division, right? In the previous video for the lowest one, it's a multiplication, but this one is opposite. Multiplication, opposite division, and smaller opposite greater. So now we write the formula. So the formula is 60 minutes is equals to hours. Now the most important
60 minutes equals to 1 hour.
Thank you for helping, teacher. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 7:45 is equals to
7:25.
Oh, but
What is the problem? 7:25 or 7:45?
7:45.
Then write the problem proper.
Okay, sorry. So, the most important thing is we have to divide this with this. So now arrow marks are very important in our maths till 10th grade. So 7:25 is equals to 7:25.
7:25 minutes equals to
7:25 minutes is equals to 7:25 by 60. Now we are going
hours.
to
7:25 by 60 hours.
Thank you for helping me, teacher. This is the good teacher of all. So now we do division. If you don't know 60 table, follow my tip. Just write 6 table and leave some gap beside it and just add zeros. That will become 60 table. Very easy. So now 7:25 is greater than 60. So we just need to
72 only. 72.
Okay. Now we just take 72 only. So now we subtract 60 with 72.
We take 61 because 120 is greater than 72. So we have to take before 1.
Yes.
That is 61 jar 60 is the correct suits to us.
Yes.
61 jar 60 minus
60
subtraction.
60 minus subtraction. Now there is no value for 0.
2 minus 0 2.
2 minus 0 2. That's it.
Take the 5 from down.
Take the 5 from down. And now 62 jar 120. Very easy, right?
5 first 5.
5.
So right. Okay. What is the quotient?
So this one is a quotient.
Is hours. And the remainder, what is the remainder? 5.
Yes.
What is that? That becomes minutes. So the answer is?
So the answer
12
is
hours.
I'll write
12 hours.
12 hours. 5 minutes.
That is 7. Therefore, 7:25 minutes equals to?
I knew it.
7:25.
Therefore, 7:25 minutes
equals to
12
hours 5 minutes.
12 hours 5 minutes.